Right, so we're in one of the most famous communities in Spanish Town. It's Garden Pen. Beautiful day, beautiful day. So we have Janika with us.
Hello.
She just got her package. So Janika, tell me what you hear about us.
I actually found out about this company when I was at work one day. One of your colleagues came and was introducing me and some of my colleagues to the company. And I decided to try. I never shipped from overseas before. So when we just do it, I feel free. I'm just always like, others do it for me. But then I found out it's reliable, it's quick and easy as well. The charges are okay, and I get to love it. This is like my fifth package.
And where did we bring the package from? And where did we bring the package to? Where did we bring the package to you?
Oh, at my doorstep.
Alright, so what you want to tell them about the company, and you can say the company's name.
Okay, I just want to say you can choose or even use Shop and Relax for your packaging because they are fast, reliable, and safe and secure.
Thank you. Alright, Anika, thank you so much. Have a good one.
Thanks.
Yard abroad. You have been watching our videos. You are talking. You've been watching our videos, but you have not created a free shipping account as yet. What are you waiting for? It is free to create, and you can do it in half the time that you take to watch this video. Did you know that you can ship your items to Jamaica straight to your doorstep for like 25% what a FedEx or a DHL will cost you? Go ahead, click the link in the description box below, create your free account today. Do it! We're in the streets.